Welcome to this introduction to Amazon SageMaker, a comprehensive machine learning platform from Amazon Web Services. SageMaker is a powerful service that enables organizations to build, train, and deploy machine learning models efficiently. This video is part of our Oz AI and ML series, where we explore the various services that Amazon Web Services offers for artificial intelligence and machine learning workloads. Throughout this presentation, we'll discover how SageMaker simplifies the entire machine learning lifecycle, making it accessible to both data scientists and developers alike. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed, end-to-end machine learning platform that enables developers and data scientists to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. The key phrase here is fully managed, which means Amazon Web Services handles all the underlying infrastructure for you. SageMaker covers 3 essential stages of the machine learning lifecycle. First, it helps you build models by providing tools for data preparation and model development. Second, it allows you to train at scale by leveraging powerful computing resources without worrying about infrastructure management. And third, it enables you to deploy anywhere, whether that's in the cloud, at the edge, or through various endpoint configurations. This comprehensive approach makes SageMaker a one-stop solution for all your machine learning needs. SageMaker offers several compelling benefits that make it an attractive choice for machine learning projects. First, it's cost-effective. You only pay for what you use with no upfront costs or long-term commitments. This pay-as-you-go model is especially beneficial for organizations just starting their machine learning journey. Second, it's fully managed, meaning you don't need to worry about provisioning servers, managing infrastructure, or handling software updates. Amazon Web Services takes care of all that for you. Third, it's highly scalable. SageMaker automatically scales to handle any workload, whether you're training a small model on megabytes of data or a large model on petabytes of data. Finally, it's deeply integrated with other Oz services like Amazon S3 for storage, Amazon EC2 for compute, and many other services in the AWS ecosystem, creating a seamless experience for your machine learning workflows. The machine learning workflow in SageMaker follows 3 main phases. Phase 1 is build, where you prepare your data and develop your models. This involves tasks like data collection, cleaning, transformation, and feature engineering. You'll also explore your data and experiment with different model architectures during this phase. Phase 2 is train, where you train your models at scale. This is where your model learns patterns from the data you've prepared. SageMaker provides powerful computing resources and optimization techniques to make training faster and more efficient. Phase 3 is deploy, where you host your trained models for inference. This means making your model available to generate predictions on new, unseen data in a production environment. These 3 phases work together in a continuous cycle, as you'll often iterate and improve your models based on real-world performance. Let's dive deeper into the build phase. SageMaker provides several tools to help you prepare data and develop models. Data preparation is made easier with SageMaker Data Wrangler, which allows you to label, process, and transform your data without writing extensive code. Jupyter notebooks provide an interactive environment where you can develop and experiment with your models using SageMaker Studio notebooks. These notebooks support popular frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. The Feature Store is a centralized repository where you can store, share, and manage machine learning features across your organization. This is particularly useful for teams working on multiple projects that might benefit from shared features. Finally, AutoML capabilities through SageMaker Autopilot can automatically build models for you. Autopilot analyzes your data, tries different algorithms, and tunes parameters to find the best model, making machine learning accessible even to those with limited expertise. Moving to the train phase, SageMaker offers multiple options for training your models. Training jobs allow you to launch managed training with automatic resource provisioning. You simply specify your algorithm, data location, and compute requirements, and SageMaker handles the rest. Built-in algorithms are optimized implementations for common machine learning tasks like classification, regression, and clustering. These algorithms are pre-installed and optimized to deliver high performance. If you need more flexibility, custom containers let you bring your own frameworks and libraries via Docker. This means you can use any machine learning framework you prefer, not just the ones provided by Amazon Web Services. Finally, hyperparameter tuning automatically optimizes your model parameters for the best results. Instead of manually trying different parameter combinations, SageMaker can systematically search for the optimal configuration, saving you significant time and effort. The deploy phase is where your trained models become useful in production. Real-time endpoints allow you to deploy models for low-latency predictions via HTTPS. These endpoints are perfect for applications that need immediate responses, such as fraud detection or recommendation systems. Batch transform processes large datasets with offline batch predictions. This is ideal when you need to generate predictions for millions of records and don't need immediate results. Multi-model endpoints let you host multiple models on a single endpoint efficiently. This is cost-effective when you have many models that are individually used infrequently, but collectively need to be available. Edge deployment enables you to deploy models to edge devices using SageMaker Edge. This brings machine learning inference closer to where data is generated, reducing latency and enabling offline operation in scenarios like Internet of Things devices or mobile applications. SageMaker consists of several core components that work together to provide a complete machine learning solution. SageMaker Studio is an integrated development environment for the complete machine learning workflow. It provides a single web-based visual interface where you can perform all machine learning development steps, from data preparation to model deployment. Notebook instances are managed Jupyter environments for development. These provide isolated compute resources where you can write and execute code for data exploration and model development. Model Monitor tracks model performance and data drift over time. Once your model is deployed, Model Monitor continuously evaluates its predictions and alerts you if the model's performance degrades or if the incoming data distribution changes significantly. Finally, Model Registry is a centralized place to manage and version your machine learning models. It helps you organize models, track their lineage, and manage their approval workflow before deployment to production. SageMaker supports a wide variety of machine learning use cases across different industries. Computer vision applications include image classification and object detection, useful for quality control in manufacturing or content moderation on social media platforms. Natural language processing applications cover text analysis and sentiment detection, enabling businesses to understand customer feedback or automate document processing. Forecasting uses time series prediction and demand planning to help retailers optimize inventory or energy companies predict consumption patterns. Recommendation systems provide personalized content and product suggestions, enhancing customer experience on e-commerce platforms or streaming services. Fraud detection employs anomaly detection in transactions to identify suspicious activities in real time, protecting financial institutions and their customers. Healthcare AI applications assist with medical diagnosis and analysis, helping healthcare providers make more informed decisions. These use cases demonstrate the versatility and power of SageMaker across various domains and industries.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.